Hey guys, welcome back to the weekend vlog. Welcome back to my channel. It's currently Friday right now, and as you guys can see, I look completely busted. It's about 8 o'clock. I not too long woke up and I'm having some iced coffee. I went to bed like after 4 this morning because I'm watching this series that my friend Nicole has me hooked on. It's called Till Death, and it's a Turkish series. If you're into Turkish series, it's a Turkish series. Okay, take a shot every time I say Turkish. So yeah, and it's 30 episodes, and your girl want to finish the whole season in one night. But I did reach episode 27 and my body was shutting down, and I said, you know what, Miss Stephanie, you need to calm yourself. Like, what is you doing? Like, you can't be doing this to yourself. So look at my eyes. So that's why this coffee is much needed right now, and it's a coffee that I'm trying out. You guys will see it in a video to come. I'm excited for you guys to see it, but there's a sneak peek of the coffee. Yeah, and you guys will see that in a upcoming video. I'm not sure when the video will be released, but you guys will see that. Yeah guys. Yeah. So the plans for the weekend, I have no idea. It's a long weekend. I didn't even know Monday was a holiday, so I love that. It's a long weekend. I don't know what's the plans, you know, the drill. We shall see as we go along. So I don't know. I'm gonna finish my coffee, guys. I'm gonna watch all my series, and then I'm going to tidy up this place and give it a little facelift. So I will see you guys later on in the video. Okay, so I bought a rotisserie chicken from Royal Castle, and I'm gonna make some lettuce wraps. So yeah, time to dice this bad boy up. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. So good. So I add some Hidden Valley Ranch to the base of the lettuce. So yeah, delicious. Kind of tricky to eat, but honestly guys, kind of like fold it like this. And that was the perfect bite. So I have lettuce, cucumber, greens, the rotisserie chicken breast, red onions, and a little bit of the Hidden Valley. Alright guys, so it's several hours since that last clip. As you can see, the place is pretty much, well, it's night. It's 7:15 and we came out the road to get food. So I got some barbecue and Dean got some conchs and tripe roti. What's up, shut? Going to go home and grab on this food. I'm so hungry. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow for me, but the next clip for you. Bye. Alright guys, so I have a little product review / product testing to try out and show you guys. A while back in one of my vlogs, I told you guys that there's a store called 5 and Up, and basically they sell like anything household related, and they sell it fairly cheaper than other places. Spiral sweeping broom, this is how it looks, and when you sweep it just kind of like goes in circle and pick up like all the dust. Other places has it for 200, 220, and they had it for 160. Also got this little what do they call this thing, paper towel holder. I got some other stuff too, but not really interesting, like broom and scoops and that kind of thing. There is a waste bin in this, so you don't have to worry about getting a scoop to scoop up the rubbish. There's a handle that it comes with a little scraper to scrape out like any hairs and stuff that may stick to the bristles. This is what it looks like. So this basically rotates inwards Alright guys, so this is it set up. It was very simple to setting this up. It was just to attach the handles to the base part here around, and let's test this out. So basically you have to push forward. This is the thing, I honestly find this not making no sense. Let me see under the chair. Maybe for under your chair, you're seeing that hair strand over there, right? Let's see if we could pick it up. I mean, it pushed it forward, unless that's the next hair strand. Alright. Let's see. That over there, a piece of thread. So let's see if it will get it. Okay, so it picked it up. My review on this spiral sweep broom, I don't like it. It makes a loud noise when you're sweeping. Like, it's not picking up the dust as it's supposed to, unless like I doing the method wrong or something, but it's pretty easy. You just push forward. Don't like the noise that it makes. It makes like a kind of loud noise, and just taking a broom and sweeping, it will be better than to do all of that set of whatever that is. The thing with that, it can go under hard-to-reach surfaces, so it can go underneath your couch, underneath your bed, so that's a good thing. And you can maneuver the handle so it can bend to go underneath any flat surfaces, so which is a good thing. But other than that, I really don't like the noise that it makes. To clean your entire house, so I like to say you're using that instead of using a broom or your vacuum to sweep your house or whatever. It's gonna take you a really long time. To me, I think I'd do a quicker job just taking a broom and just sweeping rather than using that. I think that is more for like if you have a spill some cereal, that is good to clean up right there and then. But to use it to clean your entire house, you will just get frustrated and pelt it away. And I have a lot of patience, and for me to do that says a lot. So yeah, I will use it, but not to swap that instead of using my broom to sweep my house. I will use it here and there, but when it comes to majority of like cleaning and sweeping and stuff, I will use my broom or the vacuum. I'm not using that because one, that is very time consuming because you have to keep going back to the spot. So yeah, that's my thought on it. But if you want, I'm not discouraging anyone from trying it. If you want to get it, definitely get it. I'm going to now officially sweep my house, which I should have done in the beginning, and I'll see you guys.
Eternity later.
Alright guys, so continuation of the weekend vlog. It is Saturday. I just went and had some pre-dinner at Jenny's. Heading down to my mom's, and you know, normal thing with JB, rail traffic as usual. But yeah, so I'm heading down there, and I'm not sure what's the plans for the rest of the day. Oh god. You what was the show that Wheel of Fortune?
Wow,
a free spin.
Yeah.
like it?
Yeah.
She's famous on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
$10. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yes.
One free spin.
What?
Hey, you get a gift?
A gift. Get a gift. ¿Quiere que le dé atrás? Porque no hay regalo.
Alright, you're collecting give up, right?
Okay. Oh God. You're trying to make sure. Sorry. Guys.
Five.
$5.
15.
Go in your roulette.
Five by one. Five.
You win $5.
I give her toes, no, I $10.
Vlog. It's currently Sunday. As you can see, it's raining, and we are heading down Granville for the day to meet my in-laws. They're down there for the weekend, but we're just heading down for the day. And look at rain, guys, so much rain. So I hope you guys are enjoying the long weekend. Hope that you guys are keeping safe. I really don't like to go out when it's raining. Is it just me? I love the rain. Don't get me wrong, I love the rain, but I despise the rain, especially when I have to go out, or if I'm driving to go somewhere and it started to rain. Like, I will go out, but still I prefer not to. I prefer hot sun. Is it just me, or do you guys like to go out when it's raining? Let me know in the comments. Another thing I forgot to show you guys. So we went casino yesterday and we had to spin the wheel. So I got to spin the wheel and I won a free gift. My mom won $5, my dad won $10, Dane won $5, and I won a free gift. But I forgot to show you guys that free gift. So basically this is it. It's a Samsung Galaxy S9 travel charger. I don't have a Samsung phone, so I'll just give this to Dane. But yeah, so I won the most out of all of them. In terms of, like, if you want to say money wise, I won the most. So yeah guys, wow, this rain is pouring. We just stopped to get some juice, if you know what I mean. I saw this place and it's on the creek, this guy who sells doubles, and I saw him from Trinbago Vibes, and his doubles look so good and I wanted to try it. I hope that he's still there because it's 9:34. You guys along and we'll try the doubles and I'll let you guys know what I think, but so far the doubles look good. back in the bag here, but this syrup and the sunny grapefruit slapping. Cheers. Delicioso. So we stopped and we had doubles at Grandpa's on the creek, and honestly it's so good. I wanted to record, but then the rain came down and we had to run back in the van. But if you're looking for good doubles, Grandpa's on the creek, definitely try them. They have a red tent and they have like a van. Highly recommend. So freaking good.